Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman here on this Monday, August the 9th, and we're looking at the Dow down 128 to 35,080. Very interesting. We're always looking for the fourth highest peak, labeled Peak D in the Chapman Wave methodology. We made a leg D at 35,246, all-time high on Friday. Today there's a slightly lower high at 35,229. So we'll see if we're going to have a peak D right here. But look at this, the S&P. I'm doing this very methodically, is at, oh, where did that go? The S&P right now is down 8 points at 44.28. And I have to count this as a potential peak C with a nominal new high above Friday's high of 44.40.82. Today's high so far is 44.39.39. So we're just a hair's breadth away from making a slightly higher high. Got to get a bit cautious at that point. Look at the QQQ. This is very interesting. Look, I'm calling this, at least for now, a peak B. That suggests that down from the high of 360.37 for 2 sessions, there should be at least a slightly higher high into the 30. That was 369.37. Into the mid 369s, we'll see if we can do that. We're at 368.08 right now, up 3 cents. We're going to be watching this very closely. And if you look at the IWM, it did make a leg D on Friday, a gap up candle, doji candle above the resistance line, the Chapman Wave inside track repellent line. It went there. Now it's testing it. It's down 94 cents at 222.45. This is one that's struggling. Gold. We've got to look at gold because gold overnight had a plummeted down, went down to the 1680 level. Actually, it went down to 1677.9. It's come back some. It's down 24. Huge move down, almost like a crash. But we don't know if it's a crash because you've got to have a spike to the upside and then within a day or so get to a positive. So we're going to be watching this really closely because, look, the dollar didn't have a counterpoint move. In fact, it's down 3 ticks right now. So this is really pertaining to gold, and crude oil has been making lower lows and is doing that again today, down 2 at 66. I'll be back for the Tiger Predictors Hour. Check out my opening call daily newsletter. We'll be back and we'll be discussing the markets. There's a lot to be looking at this week.
The reality is that navigating financial markets can be risky.